Welcome to the Packing Puzzle. Today we are packing a charming piece of British tableware history, a Royal Worcester eggcoddler. This elegant little vessel is more than just a pretty face. It's a symbol of the English love for tradition, breakfast, and of course, perfectly cooked eggs. Though there is no proof of where eggcoddlers originated, I bet it must be England. The English have a special fondness for breakfast traditions. From tea to toast, every detail matters. Eggcoddlers fit right in, combining functionality with beauty. There is no question that in England, these handy little pots have been a beloved part of breakfast rituals for many years. Recipes for eggcoddlers could be passed down from generation to generation and even kept in secret. You can have it simple with just salt and pepper, or add other ingredients. Coddler will take the humble egg and turn it into a creamy, delicate treat. Add a bit of butter, cream, some herbs, or a touch of smoked salmon, and you have got a meal worthy of royalty. One popular recipe is the classic herb and cheese coddled egg. Grease the inside of the coddler with butter or oil, crack an egg inside, add a tablespoon of cream, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, a bit of parsley or thyme. Top with a small handful of grated cheddar cheese. What can be more English than that? Screw on the lid and place the coddler in a pan of boiling water. Simmer for 7-8 minutes for soft yolk, or a few minutes longer for firm egg. Remove, unscrew the lid, and enjoy perfectly coddled egg straight from this elegant vessel. I will leave a couple of recipes in the description down below. There is no record of when eggcoddlers were invented or who was the first to manufacture them, but they started to become popular in Europe in the second part of 19th century. In the beginning, they were made of earthenware and sold plain white or with a single color. First coddlers had a flat cover without the ring handle. Remember that we need to pick up coddler from the hot water, and it's much easier to do with the ring. This particular eggcoddler was produced by Royal Worcester. Royal Worcester was founded in 1751. It is one of the oldest porcelain manufacturers in England. Royal Worcester's eggcoddlers became popular in the middle of 20th century. To date, more than 100 different designs have been produced, including hand-painted coddlers signed by the artists. Each eggcoddler is a little piece of British history, ready to add charm to any table and make it a bit more classy. Do you also own one? Let me know in comments.